Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into the world of PageFly, the game-changing tool for Shopify users in 2024. If you're looking to elevate your Shopify store and boost your sales, you're in the right place. Stick around as we explore how to use PageFly to make money on Shopify. The link to PageFly is in the description. First things first, what is PageFly? PageFly is a powerful page builder app for Shopify, designed to help you create stunning, high-converting pages with ease. With its drag-and-drop interface, it's never been easier to customize your online store. Getting started with PageFly is a breeze. Let's walk through the steps. First, head over to the Shopify App Store and install PageFly. Once installed, you'll be greeted with an intuitive dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Now, let's create your first page. You can choose from numerous templates or start from scratch. Here's a pro tip. Keep your brand and target audience in mind when selecting a design. Remember, your store's look is key to attracting and retaining customers. PageFly isn't just about looks. It's packed with advanced features, from SEO tools to help you rank higher in search results to interactive elements like animations. There's a lot you can do. Plus, PageFly integrates seamlessly with other popular Shopify apps, multiplying its power. The key to making money on Shopify is conversion optimization. With PageFly, you can craft pages that not only look great, but convert visitors into customers. Use compelling call to actions, customer testimonials, and trust badges to boost credibility and conversions. Remember, the digital world is always evolving. Use PageFly's analytics tools to track your page performance. Analyze, learn, and tweak your pages based on real data to continuously improve your store's performance. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry. PageFly has a fantastic community and top-notch customer support. Join forums, webinars, and access their comprehensive knowledge base for tips, tricks, and advice. There you have it, your ultimate guide to using PageFly to make money on Shopify in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, PageFly is your partner in e-commerce success. So why wait? Start your PageFly journey today and transform your Shopify store into a money-making powerhouse. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.